Hey guys, welcome to the part 6 of blog using Django 4.0. In this one, we are going to create the detailed view of the blogs. So let's get started. We'll start by going to the views.py. Inside the blog directory. You all can see the path on top, and we'll create a new class and it will be called post detail. This will inherit generic dot detail view, and this will have query set. So query set will be post.objects.all and order by. Actually order by is not required, but then let's just keep it created on. So the backend is complete, and this will of course require a template, and I think the template will be something like this: post underscore detail, because post is the model name and detail is the detail view. So let's go ahead and create that inside the blog post underscore detail dot html. We'll start by extending the base HTML. So we'll do that extends blog slash base dot html, and then we are going to also load static over here because we want to show pictures. So load static, that was that. Now we'll write the main content, so that will come inside block content, and of course we need to close the block, so we'll do it now itself. It will be end block. And now let's start by creating the main design. So I have a design in mind, so I'll implement that. You all can implement as you like. So this will consist of a card, and along with that there will be more classes empty-3 and dot border -0. Inside this we will have one image. The image source will come from the image that we store in the post. So before that we have to specify the media prefix, so we'll do that. This we already did in the previous video also, so y'all can check that for explanation. And this will be post.image. I'll keep the alt as post.title, and we need also class. So class will be card-img-top. Then we have card body, so card-body. Inside this, let's show the content first. So this will be post.title, and I'll give it title because I want to capitalize the first letter of this, and we'll give the class as card-title. Then we'll have a small, this will consist of post.author.username, and this will also give title. Then we'll have post.createdon, and we'll give it a date format of M, D and Y. Then outside the small there will be a p tag. This will have class of card-text, and I'll give it post.content, and we'll give safe, and we'll give line break. And this is content. So that's it. Let's check it out. We'll save both the files and we'll activate our environment. We'll navigate inside the directory first. So it is src, and then we'll run the server. So python manage.py run server. So let's go to this, and as you all can see there are two posts already present. We'll click, and we have not yet registered this with the detailed view, and before that we also need to make the URLs for that. So let's do that now. We'll do that by creating a new path, and the path will be post slash detailed view requires a pk, so that's why we are doing this, and pk is of type int, so that's why we have specified it like that. And views dot post detail, because that's what we named it as, and as view we'll give it a name of post underscore detail, put a comma and save it. We'll use this name inside the list. So let's go to the list, and in previous video we had made this a tag and we had given the href to be blank hash, so we'll replace that now. This will take url and it will be post detail. Along with the post detail we need to pass the pk, so that's why we are going to do pk is equal to post.id, sorry, post.pk. We need to pass pk, and actually in this case our pk is the id itself, but it is better to specify pk over here. So let's save and rerun it. And if we click on this, as you can see at the bottom of the page that the new url is coming. So let's click on this. Oh, there is some error and there is a spelling mistake, so let's correct that. We'll go on the post underscore details and it is media prefix, so prefix. Okay, let's go back and refresh, and we don't get any error. So this looks cool now. So that's it guys for this video. In the next video we are going to do the update of this blog. So see you in the next one.